Hi, I'm AJ, and I'm an independent sales consultant for Norwex. Let's talk about wrinkled clothes. Did you know that if your clothes are wrinkled, your appearance and your body structure will not be as prideful as someone that has clothes that are ironed, crisp, clean? So let's talk about ironing. Do you like to iron? Because I know people that dread ironing. But I have a solution for your clothes, and it's called the Norwex wrinkle release. And how this works, if you don't want to iron, you open it up, spritz it onto your shirt or whatever your garment, pat it down, shake it out, and it will get those wrinkles out of your clothes. So that's a great solution to help you solve your wrinkle problems. So once again, it's called the Norwex Wrinkle Release Spray. Try it out, and your clothes will thank you. You have a great day. Bye.